Hello YouTube. I'm fitting to change the tail lights out. These are the stock Grand Marquis tail lights. Okay, I got one in. There's some differences that I want to point out. This right here is the Marauder one. This is the Grand Marquis. On these, you have 3 light bulbs. 1, 2, 3. On the Marauder, which is from 2003 to 2004, there's only 2. 1, 2. These are blocked off and sealed tight. And I checked my old car, and it's true. There's only these 2, and there's no third light. So what I'm going to do is use the top lights here and take the bottom light out, the bottom bulb out of the socket on this one, and just leave it hanging inside the section here. That won't be connected. So you're only going to be using your top 2 light sockets. Your third light socket, just take the bulb out and just just leave it alone, and remount your tail light. Like I said, there's differences within the years, but this is no big deal. Just disconnect it. Now I'm gonna put this last one in right now. And there it is. Looks pretty good. Still a lot more to do. Till next video, I'll see you.